Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So let's start with our next reading, that is Scorpio. Scorpio 2021 November. Scorpio month, Scorpio reading. But before that, I would like to wish my White Light tribe happy Diwali and love you all, and please put all your past behind. Have a prosperous new year, a lovely time in Diwali. Please be safe and all your problems are done. Now we are walking towards positive things, right? All amazing things. So let's see what we have for Scorpios in the month of November. Okay. First, second, third, and fourth week. Okay. So now, in your work reading, I see a lot of conflict from inside. Scorpios, I think you're trying to make your life stable, which is you're quite successful in doing that. Okay. You're also rebuilding, creating, thinking of doing something more. Okay. Your work, I feel in work, I feel you're going to meet a lot of people who were from the past. All your past people are going to come and meet you. Okay, in your work area. And in your aims and goals somewhere, I feel there is a lot of, you want to connect with a lot of people, which you are connecting, I feel. A lot of conflict inside due to, again, egoic energy. Okay. Please work on your self-worth. That's very important, Scorpios. Self-worth is very, very important, because if it's not proper, we get very egoistic. Okay. First week, Scorpios, there's a lot of change in November. Changes, meeting people, a lot of change in your work area, having the world at your feet. Your work is doing very well. Everything is happening. Maybe you will even travel. Okay, in the first week, you might even travel for work. Okay. Now, I feel these changes are going to get you a lot of good opportunities in the second week, because second week somebody is going to offer you something, some money, some project, but whatever work will come to you will be with money, not without money. It is going to come to you with money. Okay, there's a lot of with money coming to you and offers, but offers are not going to be very big ones. They're going to be small ones, but very fruitful ones, which will make you have some money in your hand. Third week is a lot of disappointments. Why? Because in the past it happened. So now I feel that this is going to happen again with me. So instead of looking at the opportunity that is coming to you, is in front of you, you're going to feel, no, I'm scared. This happened to me before. So I want you to look at those cups in your life, those offers which are in front of you, instead of saying, no, this happened before, I'm going to do it, not going to do it. Okay? Don't get there, because this disappointing energy is more to do with yourself, not with the circumstances. Somebody might communicate with you, okay, at work, and this communication you might feel, oh, how does this person talk? I'm ending this. I don't want it. Okay, somebody will come and end something with you, or you will end something with someone, because somewhere you feel you have more options. So why should I connect to this person? That will happen. Okay. Some kind of break of relationship is possible in the third week, Scorpio. So remember that. Okay. Fourth week, you're going to begin fresh, new. Okay, fresh, new. You're going to take a leap of faith towards something that was in the past a little confusing to you. You'll have more of a stable energy. You want stability in your life, so you will have more stable energy, which might come to you in a business form, or in a new job, maybe, which is in a better position. Something like that will come to you. So the first week is change. Second week is good offer coming to you with money. Third week, there'll be a break of relationship, fallout of relationship due to some kind of bad communication. And the last week is new beginning. Somewhere you will clear out the cloud of confusion and come into more of a financially stable energy. Okay, let's see what we have for relationships. Those work. So we don't know one thing. Our emotional self is very much responsible for our money and abundance. This is how my therapies go. This is how my healing goes. Many people don't understand how much the connection, but yes, there is very deep connection. because how we think we attract, or experiences always shows up in our work area. So relationship, Scorpio, November. Okay. Detachment. You're detaching with a lot of, okay. See, I feel that there's a lot of detachment coming from the old toxic relationship. You have detached from a lot of people, and you've moved on. I feel you have moved on, and you're moving on for, you're seeing your karmic balance. Somewhere wheel is changing, and you're moving on from the past toxic energy. Somewhere things are opening up, a lot of doors are opening up for you. There's a lot of success coming to you, but that success is more to do with financial success. Relationship wise, you are still seeking inside of you what you want. Should I move on or should I stay? Moving on is more to do with past toxic relationships. You don't want them. You want to move on with a new person, maybe a new beginning in your life. Scorpios, you're learning to trust in the month of November. I feel you have confronted enough of your inner child, and you're confronting more in the month of November. I feel it is to do with, you're going to think a lot in November about your relationship. You're going to think, you're going to see whether I should take a step or no, what will happen. All that decision you need to make about a relationship, you will do it in November. And once you do, you're going to speak your truth. You're going to tell, this is what I want. And if this is not possible for you, then I will not have a relationship. You're going to say this to your wife, your lover, or husband, or anybody you're seeing this reading to, anybody you want to step into a relationship with, or maybe you're married, so you are going to speak the truth to your spouse. So somewhere a lot of throat chakra energy, and you are going to express yourself, and after you do, you are going to have the relationship of your dreams. I think the one you've been always waiting for, that is what you're going to have, and there's an offer made to you. See, an offer coming to you in the month of November, Scorpios, of love. And yes, all the confusion that you've been going through up till now, you will come out of that. Just work on your throat chakra and base chakra, that is the root chakra, because those two are going to help you more to deal with, what up and down that you will go through. So somewhere in the month of November, Scorpios, you're going to leave all the toxicity behind, move on to a better relationship and more happier and love and bonded relationship, because there is strengthening of bonds also over here. Yeah. So see, you have to do a lot of work in the month of November for your relationship, and that will happen, and things are going to improve. Yeah, things are going to be better for you. Okay. So let's see what we have as a fairy message. A lot of transition and changes going on in this universe. So definitely, any transition, any change is not easy. Especially if you're in a twin flame relationship. Nothing is easy. Okay. Let's see. Inspiration. So you might get an inspiration by reading a book, by seeing a movie, or somebody might say something to you, or reading an article. So fairies are saying they're going to send you some inspiration through your dreams, through reading, through watching something, for sure. Okay. Please keep this as a screenshot, and you will know that, you will be inspired more. Okay. Yeah. That's all for today. Please have a super duper Diwali. Have lots of sweet. Be safe. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And call me for paid appointments only. Email me for paid appointments only. Share this video with your family and friends. And that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless you. Bye. Bye-bye.